To create an invoice on the Ryela platform, go to your CRM, go to your customer, select your customer. So here you say contact details is from yourself, 2 is to your customer. It has the invoice number, the date is a warranty, none, 3 months, a year, depending on what you're selling. Is it invoice, quote, performa, invoice? You say invoice, reference, give whatever reference you want. Select your products, just product, price, quantity, we say 2. Gives your VAT rate is already set against your product. That's shown on a different video. Your line total and your VAT. Here you can add in as many products as you wish. You can add in your notes. This is your net balance, your discount, your VAT. Discount is depending if you have discount set on your customer. From here then you can clear the form if you make a mistake, start again. You can close invoice without saving. Print invoice. Simple, so you can print it out. You can email invoice, and here we're going to save invoice. Proceed. That invoice now has been created. If you go into your invoice section here, so you can actually go in and see that invoice is created, how much it was, subtotal, balance owed, the VAT, paid, status not paid. From here you can actually go in and then set as paid. So if all depends on how much the customer is going to pay the day. Is a card, cash, bank transfer, we say card. On this occasion we're just going to say 1920 from the total amount, pay yes. So here we say the invoice is partially paid, 1920 is paid, and you can go in and the balance owed is 30. The invoice age will show here when after a few days after it's created. You can go back in again and say 30 is owed. We say this time we want to do bank transfer. 30 is what's owed, pay amount. Yes. Now the invoice is completely paid. You can go in and do an email history if it was emailed for that customer. You can go in and edit. Now on this occasion you can't add new lines to an invoice after it's created. You can add notes and resend it. Email the invoice, we'll just say which email the invoice. Email is invoiced, or sorry, the invoice has been emailed. After the invoice has been created or emailed, you can go back into your customer and click on, and you see actually that was sent and delivered and to who.